welcome back. And as always, thanks for joining us as we RV Texas, y'all.
As you saw last week, we got our RV full-time journey started.
Very exciting.
And we've been crazy busy. And this week, we just want to kind of show you as we get adjusted to life in the RV.
It's an ongoing process, so stick around and we'll share it with you. So we're still trying to get organized here in the RV, but one thing that's a priority for us is to try to get back on our regular eating schedule. Over the last few weeks, while we've been working on the house and going back and forth, and just our eating has not been good. We've been way off our normal routine, and yesterday we finally made it to the grocery store and were able to pick up some fresh fruits and vegetables. And we usually, I think we've mentioned this in other videos, we usually like to start a morning with a vegetable blend. And so that's what we're doing this morning. This is actually the first time that we've done it here in the RV with the Vitamix. We've done it with a smaller blender that we had. But now the Vitamix lives in here. This was one of the priorities for us to bring. And so I put in some greens, some purple cabbage, some celery, some tomatoes, some carrots, some cucumber, some beets, some onion, garlic, and a variety of spices. And we're gonna try to get back on a regular eating routine as part of our next step in the transition. Oh, gotta add the water. And it was funny, yesterday we went to the grocery store actually with Tom's mom. She needed to go, so we all went together. And when we got back to her house, she told Tom's dad, "You wouldn't believe all the vegetables they buy." So that was a huge compliment. It was awesome to hear. Voila, breakfast. And you know, I don't know, you may not be familiar with blending, but it's basically like juicing, except you use all the parts of the vegetable, and even the skins and things get blended up and become part of the drink. So
we even use the greens of the carrots and the greens of the turnips.
We love to buy beets and carrots and things like that based on their greens, because that's a great addition. We've been doing this probably for, I guess, 5 years or something. We learned about it from another RVer actually. And
but the Vitamix is a key.
Vitamix is a key. It really helps it. It blends it a lot better than all the other blenders that we'd had in the past. So we'll put a link in the description in case you're interested in seeing, you know, learning more information about Vitamix on our Amazon affiliate stuff. But it's, yeah, this is a must-have for us. We use it every day for a lot of different things. All right, let's eat or drink.
Give it a try.
Oh, okay, this one's mine. Yep. Tastes good, and it's cold, it's refreshing. Good way to start the day. Cheers.
Decided to put in our other hose, believe it or not, even though we're in Texas and in the Houston area. In Houston, it's supposed to get to freezing in a couple days, which sometimes we don't even see one freezing day during the winter, but we have supposed to get down to 32, which probably is going to be okay. But we do have a hose that actually it has a thermometer thing on it, so when it gets close to freezing, it heats up so the water won't freeze. And it actually, on this side, you'll see it plugs in. And so it has a heating element in it, and it should keep this hose from freezing. And our bays are supposed to have heat in them as well. So hopefully we'll be okay. We're not used to this cold weather. Keep that stuff up north. Guys, today we're inside the RV in our transition period. I mean, we're evolving daily, and I set up Stacy's computer this morning, and you know, it's a regular PC, and it's not Wi-Fi compatible, so we weren't quite sure how that was going to work. But this coach came with a Wi-Fi booster, and it actually had an Ethernet port on it. So, you know, the old fly by the seat of our pants here, I decided, you know what, let me try to connect that up to that port and see, because Stacy's got to work on her website. You know, we have the website rvtexasyall.com that has a bunch of resources and stuff on it, and more in-depth stories on our videos, and so voila, it happened to work. I mean, it's better, you know, I've always said it's better to be lucky than good, you know. And it worked. It's not like it's probably going to be extremely efficient or anything, but
it's probably a temporary setup. We'll see. I mean, because it is a lot for us to carry around with the desktop PC and the 2 monitors, and it does take up a lot of room. So, you know, eventually I'll probably transfer over to working more on the Mac, the laptop, the MacBook Pro that I have.
Yeah, it's going to be a tough transition for Stacy though, because she's used to working with 2 monitors, as you can see.
Right.
And
it is nice to have that.
Yeah, and we'll see. I mean, you know, if this works, fine. We may just stay with this. But she has a MacBook Pro as well, like I do. And I'm able to do the videos on the MacBook Pro because it is a Wi-Fi device. So it connects straight to the Wi-Fi, so it's no big deal. But
we have a lot of catching up to do on the website. This computer's been down for a few weeks while we've been moving from the house and everything. So,
a couple weeks anyway.
Yeah, so a lot of stuff to catch up on. And if you haven't been to our website, rvtexasyall.com, I invite you to jump over and take a look at it, and you know, let us know what you think. And we're always working to improve it. And you know, like I said, I'm going to be getting caught up here in the next few days.
The website is what started RV Texas Y'all.
Right.
And we will always have it. It's Stacy's spent thousands of hours on this website. I think, you know, if you get a chance, go take a look at it. I mean, she's done a lot of work, and it's got a lot of good resources and stuff on it. If you're looking for an RV show, it has, you know, a lot of the national RV shows as well as the ones in Texas.
Yep. RV parks, campgrounds, RV dealerships, fun things to do. That's a popular area. And then, of course, every time, you know, we do a video or something like that, we usually have a page that associates with that also. And that's what I'm catching up on right now.
Yeah, absolutely. So here we go, you know, as we transition. And, you know, everything's been great. We've been enjoying staying in the RV. It's getting cold here in the Houston area.
Yeah, it's unusually cold. It's never this cold in November.
Yeah, and they're talking about a freeze tonight. So we actually, we showed that in earlier that I hooked up the hose the electric water hose, so hopefully we don't freeze.
Yeah, they actually had some snow flurries in Katy today, which is near our Sticks and Bricks home, which that's insane. That's just crazy.
Crazy. Definitely this time of year. I mean, usually we're in shorts and short sleeves this time of year.
It's because we moved into the RV.
That's what it is.
That's what it is. Sorry, guys. But all right, I'm going to get back to it so we can update y'all. So we woke up this morning to a beautiful day blue skies. I'll have to take you outside and show you. I don't think it'll show through the windows here. But an absolutely beautiful day. I'm working on getting the coach organized. It's an ongoing project right now. But, you know, it's unseasonably, like freakishly cold here in Houston right now. It got into the 30s last night, and it's expected to do that again tonight, and that is so unusual for November. So, felt like while I'm sitting here organizing, it was a great time to do a little crock pot chili. The wind's really whipping outside, and so not really perfect for cooking outside today, but that's where the crock pot comes in. So, got that going. It's starting to smell good, and yeah, just working away on the organizing. Let me take you outside and show you what it looks like.
Well, this morning we decided to battle this refrigerator. It's never worked right. If you've seen some of our past videos, it hadn't worked right. And our freezer was freezing great, our refrigerator was not cold. And so today I decided to take it apart. Now, if you remember our last coach, we had problems with the refrigerator as well. And it was the fan on that refrigerator. So, and I replaced the fan and we got it to work pretty good. Our ice maker went out, but then it got fixed. But here, the ice maker's never worked, and the refrigerator with us has never worked. So I decided to take it apart. Now, you can see in here right now, I've just now started to put it back together. This fan, you know, it's loose, but I'll show you a picture up here of what it looked like when I got in here. And it doesn't take a rocket scientist to realize it was messed up. The wiring went right through that fan, so the fan couldn't even work. So I thought for sure the fan was gone too, because it couldn't spin, so I thought the motor was bad, but luckily it seems like the fan's okay. So I'm gonna put it back together. Whether it fixes the ice maker or not, I don't know. We'll let you know. But I feel very confident that we got the refrigerator fixed. And, you know, this is part of full timing. You got to do some of this stuff yourself, because it's going to be, we could have called a repair guy. We are at a place right now for a while, and they could have come out. But you know what? I'd rather do some of this stuff and save the money ourselves. And since I've done it before, I thought, what the heck? Let's give it a try. I think it paid off.
So we're making our first Costco run since we've been living in the RV, and a lot of full-time RVers have kept their Costco memberships, so we're gonna see where all this stuff can live. It's a new adventure.
And I see we've got the Costco toilet.
Yeah, we used the Fit RV as a guide. They had done some toilet paper testing a while back, and we'll link to that video in the description. But we tested, this is what we've been buying for years. We tested it. It looks like it's going to dissolve great, so don't take our word for it, but we're going to give it a try.
Well, guys, update on the refrigerator. Excited to say I fixed it.
Woo!
It's not only, we even got a bonus. It's not only cold and working, it's making ice.
Yay!
The ice maker works, and that is something that we don't think has ever worked. And it never has worked for us, and we even found documentation from the guy that had it before us that it didn't work. So we accomplished something huge there, and we're happy to have it going.
Yeah, everything on it's working great now.
So, you know, don't be afraid to work on your stuff, you know. It's a whole lot easier than having to call somebody out or take your rig and leave it somewhere. And, you know, that's not really an option for us anymore. So, just glad we got it going. Happy Thanksgiving! Hope y'all are getting a chance to get together with family.
and friends and
Yeah.
just enjoy the holiday. And we're so thankful for everything that's been going on, you know, here recently, and
Yep.
definitely thankful for our friends and our family and our health and the ability to now move into this next stage of life, and for all of y'all following along on the journey. And hope you've got a great week planned, and festivities and fun.
Absolutely. Family is so important.
That's right. Now, we know, you know, in the last week's video, we told you we were going to give you a tour of the RV park here where we are, Highway 6 RV Resort. And what we decided to do is do something a little bit different. We did a tour. We put it on our Facebook page.
Yeah.
So if you're not already following us on Facebook, you can jump over there, and you're interested in seeing more about this park, you can jump over to Facebook. We're listed as RV Texas, y'all, there just like we are here, and Twitter and Instagram and Pinterest. And
Yeah.
jump over there, you'll see the video that we did of this park, and hopefully while you're there, maybe you'll like the page and follow us there as well.
Yeah, and it's a good little tour. We really like the park, just to let you know. It's been wonderful. Who knows, we may make it like a home park, because it is close to both of our parents, so it'll be an easy place for us to come back to and see our folks and our family. So I think you're going to see us here again, and we're going to be here for a little while since this is the holidays. So we're still, the house hasn't sold, unfortunately.
It's just been on the market a week.
Yeah, just been on the market a week, and hopefully it'll happen soon.
Keep your fingers crossed.
Yeah. Yep, absolutely. But
So-
thanks again for joining us. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.
And thank you, as always, for sharing this journey. We always look forward to hearing from y'all. Make sure you keep us posted on your journey and your adventures. We always look forward to those updates as well.
Yeah, and one more thing is now we have the community tab on YouTube.
Oh, we do. We just got that.
Yeah, we just got that. So we're going to start sharing some more stuff on the community tab of YouTube. And so if you are subscribed to us and you go through your feed, you'll see what we're talking about or whatever we share at that time. It's almost like Facebook, but on YouTube.
Yeah, so, you know, if you have some ideas of what you'd like us to share there,
Yeah.
we're just trying to figure it out now, because we
Yeah.
did just yesterday. I noticed that they'd added that to our channel, so
Yeah,
that's
that-
very exciting. So
yeah.
any ideas that you have, please leave us a comment and let us know.
Yeah, sounds like fun.
Yeah. So have a great Thanksgiving.
Yeah, absolutely.
Enjoy your week, and gobble, gobble, gobble. And until next time, y'all, safe travels.
And happy camping.
Bye.
Bye.